see you. Good to see you. So, so the plan was that Renee was going to pick him up from school, and then we have an appointment with the
Almost finished.
Oh yeah, no worries. That's fine.
Yeah.
But we gotta make sure to go back because
Yeah.
my dad's got to change, or sometimes he has to change his clothes. So
I know.
that's okay. It's all right.
Yeah.
Take your time.
I took down my fan.
Oh, that's cool.
I took down all by my own.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. Don't tell my dad I stole it.
Very nice.
Yeah, I took the heavy blades, everything, even the wire. And I turned the power off. I know how to do it.
Good.
Yeah.
Glad you know how to tinker with it.
And it's cool.
Yeah.